So I just come to this Mazda 3. This is a proximity one. It's built July 2015, and it has the push button start, which is right there, and this is the proximity fob that we're going to program into the car, and we're also going to cut the emergency key as well. So let's get into it. Okay, so we're just going to try the key. So this is just a test key. Beautiful, perfect. Try the other side. It's always good just to cut it on a key blank. All right, let's get back into it. Okay, so we've just programmed it in using the Smart Pro. So now we're going to test the remote and see if the door lock works. And it does. Okay, we should be able to start this. Clutch, brake, car starts. All done. All keys lost, erased all keys, Mazda 3. Alright, let's just turn that off. We're going to put this remote on top of the car, and we're going to grab the other remote, which is here, and we'll do the same thing again. Test, lock the car, unlock the car, hold the remote there, clutch, brake, and car starts. All keys lost, Mazda 3. Car's going. Okay, so we're just going to test the car one more time with the remote. Car is locked. Car is unlocked. Test it with the other remote. Unlocked. Try the emergency blade. Unlocked. And that's it, all keys lost. Mazda 3. Thanks for watching.